Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, in this video, we're going to be unboxing the PlayStation 5 remote control. Now, this is the Dualsense remote control for the PlayStation 5. Unfortunately, we don't have the PlayStation 5 in-house, so if you thought we were also going to do an unboxing for that, not anytime soon. Now, inside this box, obviously, you should be expecting the PlayStation 5 remote control, which is actually going to be also my first time taking a look at it. So let's unbox and see what's new with this guy. Now, as usual, I do not have my unboxing knife, so I kind of struggle a little bit unboxing this, but we are almost inside. I really don't know what to expect inside. I don't think I've seen any other video of this guy. And I also don't know if I'm going to be getting the PlayStation, even though you cannot find anywhere in the country because, I mean, it's sold out. Now, this guy was officially released yesterday, which was the 19th of November. We are inside. But even yesterday, I don't think there was any stock available anywhere. Now, inside, you should be expecting the remote control. I honestly thought it was going to be bigger than what it is. Actually, I always loved PlayStation remote control because of the size itself and how it actually, at least I have big hands. I can also play normally with the Xbox controller, but the PlayStation 5 always, the PlayStation 5 or the PlayStation remote in general, always just felt a little bit better in hand. Now let's put this guy on the side and see what else comes on the box. You have the start menu, Dualsense wireless controller. This is a manual guy. We don't read that guy. And let me just put this on the side. And that's it. Wow, you don't even get a charging cable, nothing. So we don't need this, guys. We are actually here for the PlayStation controller itself. Now, this is not entirely white, or it's actually not white at all. It's much closer to the gray band that I have here on my Apple Watch. As you guys can see, the table itself is white, but most probably because of the brightness of the lights that I have here, you are not going to be able to tell that it's actually not white, but it's gray. It's actually reminiscent of the color on the PlayStation anniversary. I think it was a 25 years anniversary, but that's a special edition of the PlayStation 4 that came out sometimes last year. Same color. Now, from what I can tell, also there's actually a little X square and circles, or O, whatever you would like to call it, engraved also here on the handle, whatever you call this. But yeah, this is this is nice. At least it's something. I can say that I've unboxed the PlayStation 5 remote control. Still PlayStation 5, but yeah, this is nice. I like it. All right, so let's see what's actually new on this device. I actually did not prepare for this video. I went on a whim and actually bought the remote just to check it out, and also because I didn't really have any videos planned for today. But let's see. This guy comes with adaptive trigger. Now, this triggers down here when the remote is on will actually be adaptive in the sense where, let's say you are playing a first-person shooting game and you are actually shooting, there will be a little bit of tension and resistance when you actually pull the trigger. And other example that I actually got is that when maybe you are playing, let's say a game where you shoot maybe an arrow and you pull and there is that tension at the end, you will also be able to feel that tension while you are actually pulling the R2 triggers. And as well as the haptic feedback on this guy, it's actually much better. That's why they most probably call it Dualsense. And you can actually tell, let's say if you are breaking, for example, a bottle, if you are punching somebody, the the haptic feedback on those two actions are actually going to differ, and you will be able to tell them apart. This guy also comes with a motion sensor, which is going to allow you to play, let's say, games that you can actually just move the controller around and you are basically playing the game, just like the gyroscope that come on the Apple devices and the iPad I think also have for those racing games. It should actually also feel the same. And this guy also comes finally with the USB-C port here at the back, but unfortunately there is no cable to charge this guy on the remote box. But on the PlayStation box itself, you're gonna, I think, get one USB-C cable for you to be able to synchronize your remote. Now let me try and turn it in. Unfortunately, as I mentioned, I don't have the PlayStation. Wow, look at the light. Can you see the blue light there? Unfortunately, I don't have the PlayStation 5, so this is actually all I can show or demonstrate on this guy. Now the blue light is actually gone. Okay, there's the blue light again. I think it's trying to synchronize. I'd most probably be able to synchronize it to the iPad, but I'm not gonna obviously be able to make use of the main feature that this guy comes with because the iPad does not support. But if that's something you want me to try on another video, make sure you let me know down in the comments. One thing that I actually forgot to mention also, it comes with a microphone right here. So if you don't have your headphones with the mic to play online games, you can actually also make use of the in mic on the remote, but obviously it's not going to have the same quality as you having a proper headset with microphone on it, so bear that in mind. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions on this guy, make sure you let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna try and answer you guys down there. Or if you have a video suggestion surrounding the PlayStation 5 Dualsense Control, also let me know, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next video. Peace.